Round table, Skittles.
It's that dude Zachariah. It's that dude that always spit that fire. It's that dude that's never gonna retire. Reppin' it big for my Messiah. You a liar, you get the pile driver. This is real shit, I'm a soul survivor. Beat the trap like my name MacGyver. Real shit, motherfucker, like a Bible. Man, real shit, like I said, no idol. This is what I do, motherfucker, since high school. And this is what I do, motherfucker, get high too. Roll up the kush, motherfucker, I'm in a good mood. This is what I do, rude like I'm fucking Jude. Motherfucker scheming on the girl with the boobs and the big ass booty too. Man, I figured that girl out like a Rubik's Cube. But it don't matter how I do, I'm like Cube Vision. Motherfucker do the shit, y'all bullshitting. Motherfucker, y'all wishing. Motherfucker, they ain't there, a competition.
Yeah. These niggas don't like me, but I still got the jewels and I fuck your wifey. I'm icy, so fucking hot in this game. I cool off with a little bit of motherfucker ice bezel on my motherfucking chain. I still remain the hardest nigga on the block, man. Fuck the cops. I gotta get that money, yeah. I keep that fucking guap. So you ain't saying nothing, cause the cops are working, they lurking, trying to hit a nigga up, and I ain't motherfucking gonna be jerking, nigga, cause I'm about that cash. I roll up on you and I hit you with that fucking mask on or off. I don't give a fuck, I'm off. So the South, all you niggas talking real slick and I'm running for your house. Tie your motherfucking spouse down. Keep your motherfucking crown ready to low. And I don't give a fuck, I still got a badass hoe. Now you know how I flow. I stay in the streets, I got to eat. I motherfucking quick walk real quick. And y'all niggas acting like y'all official, but I keep that motherfucking rocket ready to split you. And y'all niggas get mentioned, beef with me with the fishes or the shark somewhere where they can't find you. I'm sticking in a motherfucking trunk for 3 months and y'all niggas know what's up. Round table in this bitch.